Hey, this is PMR at Shutterfest, my first time. It's really cool. And anytime I go to a new kind of a show, I like to look around, go to every booth and see what's new and interesting and exciting and something really innovative and cool. And I bring it back to you. And today, it's a very small thing, but it's significant. So we're all sort of know what this is. These are great. Black Rapid changed everything when they did their straps. The Black Rapid was like an amazing paradigm shift of how we carry our cameras every day. The problem is these things wear out, and I've seen these get really, really thin to the point where they're really useless anymore. And what these guys have done at Fusion Photo Gear is they have taken this and they've melded it with something we're also very familiar with, which is a quick release tripod plate. And what they've done is something ingenious. This is a typical Manfrotto plate, but it's got a little hook on it. So you just pop that baby out like that, and now I'm able to carry my camera with the same plate that I could use. So I could literally transition from, I could go Black Rapid, pop that in, and I'm on the tripod, and I'm rolling. Just, well, much faster than that. But same product. It's very, very innovative, very cool. These are, how much are they?
55.
They're 55 bucks a piece. Fusion Photo Gear. Very cool product, really neat. And where can they get these? Hold on a second. Where can they get these?
Right at FPgear.com.
One thing too, I'm using Manfrotto. I'm a Manfrotto guy. This is the Arca-Swiss. So they have each one. So no matter which way you go, they've got a solution for your situation for your Black Rapid and your tripod. So PMR, really cool product. I like it. 55 bucks. Get rid of your little Black Rapid adapter things because they're going to wear out and trash anyway. These things are way more robust. It's the way to go. Thanks a lot. It's PMR at Shutterfest. See ya. So to find this cool stuff, FPgear.com. That's Frank Paul Gear.com.